Do you want to know how to make your prison camp experience meaningful? Stay tuned and I'll tell you how. The two ways to make your prison camp experience meaningful are to plan for your post-prison life and to choose your time at prison camp for self-discovery. Now, one way to make your prison camp experience meaningful for your post-prison life is to plan on getting certificates or a degree in a trade or any educational field that you want. I would recommend that you get your certificate in a trade such as becoming an electrician, HVAC, or masonry. Tend not to worry about your felony. You can also get one in personal training or life coaching, but you're going to need to become an entrepreneur for that, unless you can find a business that will hire you. If you do become an entrepreneur after your prison camp experience, then you will still need to work a full-time job if you're on supervised release. You can also get your degree in prison as well. However, if you're planning on getting a degree to get a job when you come out, keep in mind that as a felon, you may not be allowed to work around money, children, sensitive information, or the U.S. government. I'll put some links down at the bottom for resources on how to get certificates and how to get your degree while in prison. Now, the next way to make your prison camp experience meaningful is self-discovery. I recommend journalizing, which is what I did and how I wrote the book Subprime Felon Inside Federal Prison Camp. A link for that is down at the bottom. By journaling, you have a way of going deep inside yourself and in your thoughts, and you can write down all your vices and flaws and work them out in a non-biased manner. And you can have these corrected, hopefully, by the time you get home. Some inmates find religion while in prison. Though I'm not religious, I could definitely see how somebody can use this time to become more religious and grow in their faith. I also recommend reading self-help books or any book that will make you a better person if you can. And also don't forget to purchase my book, Subprime Felon Inside Federal Prison Camp.